Hey everyone, this is Gerald with MXG Games playing Enter the Gungeon. It's been a while since I've been to the Gungeon, but I think the Gungeon's missed me, so I'm gonna have to go back. Even though the Gungeon hates me, it misses me. Does that make any sense? Anyways, back to the hunter and my little gerbil dog. Yes, my gerbil dog, who digs up hearts and sometimes bullets, or I'm sorry, blanks. And off to chamber 1. Let's see what we can do, guys. Sorry. Whoa, what happened? Not pause. My bad. Ah, messed me up, totally. Totally messed me up. Whoa. Yeah, come on. Yeah, stupid little... Ooh, God, I hate the mages. Wizards, whatever you want to call them. No. Tuck roll. Stupid. What is you doing? Hee. Ah, do you think you're gonna get me? Okay, into the gungeon, kill bullets. Ooh, look at that. That's quite a bit of money. And a key. A key! Yeah. Oh, not good. So not good. Oh, die, my Zara. Got him. Shotgun shells. Bullets, everywhere, bullets. Yeah, I don't like you. Whoo. So how's everybody today? Let's see, what do we got here? Oh. A bolt action rifle. That's the first time I've gotten this one, so... Whoa. So the bolt action is powerful, and we'll stick with our pistol for now, and only because I want to save, just in case I don't get any more bullets for the bolt action, I want to save it for the boss, because this is the Gungeon and it hates me. Oh, I'm like, where am I? I've already been here though. I've already killed here. And here's the boss level. Boss level. Okay. So, hey yo, look at the blobs. Ooh, a heart. I like the hearts. Let's see what the merchant's got today. What do you got, merchant? Ah, the merchant doesn't have anything. So, see you later, merchant. I don't get it sometimes. Ah. Gotta be quick. Quick on your god. I thought I'd be dead. Punk. Yeah, come on. Give me your money. Your money or your life. I guess it was your life. Ooh, what's this? Ring of fire resistance. No burns. Okay. I mean, I guess that's cool. One place that'd be good is the Bullet King. He throws Molotov cocktails down. So if he does that, then I guess I'm good. I won't get burned. I won't have to worry about running from the fire, I guess. Wow, is that it on this level? Alright. Let's go do this. I'm gonna take some armor. And a blank. Can always use more blanks. Let's go fight the boss. Wait, I'm the boss. Usually not in this game. I'm not very good at this one. I like playing it. Ah, see the Bullet King. So the fire resistant ring. That'll be good. Okay. Switch, switch. Yes. So this gun's pretty good against this guy anyways. Not disappointed in the least with the bolt action gun. What's this gun? Shades revolver. Someone loses an eye. Huh, interesting. We'll check it out. Check it out, check it out. Alright, so we're back with the hunter. We haven't played in a while and we got past the first boss. That's a successful mission for me, by the way. Just telling you. Yay! New guns. Okay, let's try this new revolver out. And we got the bolt action rifle still, which is pretty badass. I like that. Oh, who's this little dude? Greetings. Well, greetings to you, sir. What can I do for you? Who are you? Oh gosh, I hope this guy doesn't kill me. Every time I say yes to something, it kills me. I'm a traveling tinkerer. I got stuck here a while back. I thought I might fix these elevators to kill some time. Fix? They seem to be working. The elevators only go from one floor at a time right now. With the right equipment, I might be able to configure these to traverse multiple floors. I'm talking shortcuts here, lady. You mean like maybe... Okay, I'm interested. I'm totally interested. I'm not sure yet. It won't be easy though. Whoever engineered this place was crazy, and you want to fix it. I'm gonna head back to the breach for now. Speak with me there when you get a chance. Okay, so we got a new person in the breach, an elevator repairman. All right, cool. I'll see you back in the breach. Good luck. I'm sure we both have things to do. Okay. All right. So we got a new little dude that's gonna be in the breach to fix the elevator. This is very good. I like this. Whoa, this is way nicer. Okay, so alright, so there's fire coming out of the floor. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Alright, that's cool. Oh, those things I hate. Alright, so that was a successful run. We did get the gun and propter. We got a new dude that's coming in the breach, though, so that's good. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's go to the breach real quick. I'm gonna go talk to this guy that does the elevator repair. Okay, let's go find him real quick. There he is, right here. Oh, you again. Good. Looks like some of the elevators connect to this room, so I'll set up in there. I need to work on each floor to get them working though. Meet me in elevator shaft in chamber 2. Peace. Well, I did that already. For now, you suck. So I gotta go make it down there again. I don't know why he came back. He was in chamber 2 already. Stinks. Okay. So let's do it floor by floor, which is cool because then I can go down floor to floor. I'm totally all about that, by the way, because I hate going through chamber 1 every time. I just want to kill stuff. I'm angry now because those stupid little Iron Maiden things killed me. And if you don't know what I mean, the Iron Maiden thing, that's the thing that opens and shoots all the arrows out at me. It's not the rock group Iron Maiden. Eh. Bang. Oh, you see that? I dodged all those dudes. Totally okay with that. Alrighty. Da-na-na, da-na-na-na-na-na. Alright. Alright, so I don't need that. Not yet, anyways. Sawed-off shotgun? I'll take the sawed-off shotgun. Na 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 na. Really? Punk. Just a punk. I do have another heart just sitting down there though right now, so I think I'll go get it. Alright. Good with that. That was a pretty good box, you know, got some hearts and a new weapon. Okay. Huh. Got one-shotted. Punk. Oh. I've got to get better at this. Where is he? Whew. Now we're cooking with the gas. I don't know. I don't have a key. So there's the merchant. Of course his door is locked right now. I see him on the map. And da 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 da. Oh, did I get something? I got a heart or something. I'm okay with that. Okay, what do we got in here? He's got hearts. What's going on? He's not selling any weapons. I'm a little irritated about that. I mean, I need the other stuff too, but you know what? I need a key. Just go ahead and take the key. Yeah, it is an excellent choice because I am gonna go find out what's in that box. Unfortunately, I have to get to it. There we go. Come on. Oh, Jesus help me. Everybody that's watched any of mine know that I hate the stupid, wooden explosive dummy. It is one of the worst things you can get. At least in my opinion. Ah, is that it? Wow, I've already gone through it all? Okay. Well, have any money left? Okay. Well, let's see if I can get anything real quick. Like a heart. Can I get a heart? I'll take half heart. Yes. Hey, thank you, sir. Okay. Me and my sawed-off shotgun. And only have 45 bullets, so that kind of sucks. But I couldn't do anything about that. It's Hairy Armpit Bird. Wait. Ah, dang it. So here's the problem with this one. I got nowhere to hide. There's no tables. That's like the worst. That particular layout for that boss is probably one of the worst. So, in my opinion, though, I mean, I stayed really close to him. Usually I can kill him if I stay close to him, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, everybody, back to the Gungeon. So things we got done during this episode: we got a new little dude that's gonna meet us in Chamber 2 when I get back to it. Obviously, the first time we got to Chamber 2, there was a guy down there saying he wants to fix the elevators. I actually think that's an awesome idea, because then I can hopefully just go to level 2 every time and skip level 1. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and leave comments down below. This is Gerald MXG Games, and thanks a lot for watching.